Have you ever stopped to consider how the roar of a fuel engine contributes to the silent scream of our planet? Today we delve into the world of engines, specifically fuel engines and electric motors, assessing their impact on the environment. The fuel engine has been a mainstay of transportation since the late 19th century. It operates on the principle of internal combustion, where fuel, typically gasoline or diesel, combusts inside the engine to produce the energy that propels our vehicles. This process, while efficient, has a significant environmental cost. The burning of fossil fuels releases a cocktail of harmful emissions into the atmosphere, including carbon dioxide, a key contributor to the greenhouse effect and climate change. Additionally, fuel engines spew out nitrogen oxides and particulate matter, which contribute to air pollution, a leading cause of respiratory diseases around the world. Now, let's turn our attention to electric motors. These marvels of modern engineering operate on a different principle altogether. They convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, a process that produces zero tailpipe emissions. This in itself is a significant environmental advantage. But it's not the whole story. The production of electricity that powers these motors can still have environmental impacts. If the electricity comes from renewable sources, like wind or solar power, then the environmental footprint is minimal. However, if the electricity is generated from coal or natural gas, the benefits are less clear-cut. Despite this, even when powered by electricity from non-renewable sources, electric motors generally have a smaller carbon footprint than fuel engines. This is because electric motors are more efficient than their fuel counterparts, meaning they use less energy to travel the same distance. Moreover, as our electricity grids become greener, the environmental advantage of electric motors over fuel engines will only grow. We're already seeing this trend, with many countries ramping up their renewable energy production and setting ambitious goals for carbon neutrality. But the transition to electric motors won't happen overnight. It requires investment, not just in the motors themselves, but in charging infrastructure, battery technology, and renewable energy generation. And this is where each one of us comes in. By supporting businesses that prioritize sustainability, by advocating for policies that encourage the shift to electric vehicles, and by making environmentally conscious choices in our own lives, we can help drive this transition forward. So, the next time you hear the roar of a fuel engine, think about the silent scream of our planet, consider the impact of fuel engines and the potential of electric motors. And remember, every choice we make, every action we take, can help shape the future of our planet. Each one of us has the power to make a difference. Let's use it wisely. Let's choose electric.